If a productivity laptop with entertainment and basic gaming on the go is what you want, then say hello to the Dell Vostro 15. The black lid has a textured design with the Dell logo in the center. Lift the lid and you are greeted with a 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit display. The Dell Vostro 15 has a chiclet-style keyboard along with a full number pad. The layout of the keyboard is comfortable for those looking to type a lot. The power button rests on the top right above the keyboard. The keyboard and trackpad are surrounded with the same black textured finish found on the lid. Below the keyboard, we have the trackpad. You do not have a physical left and right click as they are integrated into the trackpad to give it a seamless look. The left and right clicks are distinguished with a simple line on the trackpad. Moving to the connectivity options, on the left the laptop has the power socket, Ethernet port, VGA out, HDMI out, one USB 2 port and one USB 3 port. On the right you have the Kensington lock, DVD drive, one USB port, the headphones combo jack and an SD card slot. Speaking of audio, the speakers are integrated on the front edge of the laptop. You have two speakers for a stereo audio experience. At the bottom, the laptop has 4 rubber feet, which gives the machine grip when kept on a table. This ensures that the laptop remains firmly stable during those long typing sessions. The laptop also sports an HD webcam and Bluetooth connectivity options along with Wi-Fi. Dell claims that the laptop can last for 6 hours of use. When it comes to the specifications, the Dell Vostro 15 3000 has an Intel Core i5 8th generation CPU coupled with 8GB of RAM and a 1TB hard drive. The RAM is expandable up to 16GB. The laptop also has a 2GB AMD Radeon 520 graphics card. The 1TB hard drive is plenty to store your photos, videos and work projects. The resolution of the 15.6-inch display is 1920 by 1080, which is enough to work on spreadsheets, projects and watch videos. The specifications of the laptop ensure that you can run multiple apps on the laptop. You can also browse numerous tabs on Chrome with ease. You can also enjoy your movie library and play some basic games. Apps like MS Office and more will run on the device. The AMD Radeon 520 ensures smooth functioning of productivity apps and some basic games. However, graphically heavy games like Doom, Metro, GTA and more will not run desirably on this device. You can enjoy games like Asphalt thanks to the graphics card. This was a quick overview of all the features on offer on the Dell Vostro 15 laptop.